So the new topic is the age of revolution between 1830 to 1848 in France. 1830 से 1848 के बीच में फ्रांस में जो क्रांति हुई, हम इसको कवर करेंगे इस टॉपिक में. Dear friends, as I mentioned you that the conservative regimes tried to consolidate their power. Liberalism and nationalism came to be increasingly associated with revolutions in many regions of Europe, such as Italian and German states, and in the province of Ottoman Empire. I mean here that from 1815 to 1830, there was a struggle between the two groups of people in Europe, in general and in France particular. One was the new conservatism, who tried to restore the old monarchical form of government and to curtail all sort of freedom, equality, liberty, the message of all those. And in another hand, there were the liberal nationalists who were trying to restore the idea of liberty, equality, fraternity, which was given by the French Revolution. So this tussle between the conservatism in one hand and liberal nationalists in another hand between 1815 and 1830 gave the birth of several revolutions in France between 1830 and 1848. And later on these revolutions also spread to Germany, Italy and in Turkey, that is in the Ottoman Empire. This revolution also spread in Ireland and Poland. These revolutions from 1830 to 1848 were led by the liberal nationalists. Those liberal nationalists, they were belonging to educated middle class elite family, and the important persons in those liberal nationalism were the professors, the teachers, the clerks, the members of the commercial middle class, the journalists, etc. The first upheaval took place. The first upheaval took place in France in 1830. Though the 1830 upheaval was unable to remove the old autocratic form of government. The Bourbon kings, who had been restored to power during the conservatism reactions after 1815, though were now overthrown by the liberal revolutionaries, and they installed in France in 1830 a constitutional monarchy, एक संवैधानिक मोनार्की की स्थापना किया. यानी रहेगी मोनार्की, रहेगी राजाओं की शासन, बट संविधान के अनुकूल चलेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की. लुइस फिलिप was the head of this government. This Louis Philippe was also called as Napoleon III. So this way constitutional monarchy was started in France from 1830 to 1848, when the France became finally a republic. This revolution is also called as July Revolution, the revolution of 1830, and this revolution also sparked in other part of Europe from France, that was in Brussels, in Belgium, and United Kingdom and the Netherlands. The most of the educated elite across the Europe also installed the Greek War of Independence. Greece earlier had been the part of Ottoman Empire of the Turkey in the 15th century, and gradually the nationalist Europeans sparked off a struggle for independence amongst the Greek people also to get independence from the old monarchy, from the old Turkey's rule. Greece got support in this freedom movement from the many Greek people who were exiled, those who were thrown away from the nation. And this way the English poet Lord Byron organized funds and later to fight in the war, where he died of fever in 1824. Finally, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 was signed, and Greece became an independent nation in 1830.